Hello everyone, here is Mira from TAICO. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing video of 10kW inverter, which is independently designed and produced by TAICO ourselves. You can see from the side of this packaging, you can see the full data sheet and the label of this inverter. Now let's open the box and check out what's everything inside. Inside the box, you will get 2 connection cables and 1 parallel connection cable. This is equalizer cable, and this is PV accessories, screws for installation, and this black one is Wi-Fi device, and this is user manual, wiring diagram. These are all accessories, and this is our inverter. This is the outlook of inverter. Its rated power is 10kW, waterproof rating IP66. It can support 220 and 230 output voltage. Also support 48 volt battery connection with a maximum charge and discharge current up to 210 A. Now let's look at the ports on the bottom of the inverter. You can see this is AC input, AC output, and the CT port, generator connection ports. These are PV input and the battery negative terminal, battery positive terminal. These 2 ports are for communication, and this is parallel port. This is a Wi-Fi device. It has high PV input capacity. The maximum MPPT PV power can reach 18 kW with a wide MPPT operating voltage range from 120 to 500 volt. It is equipped with 2 MPPT trackers, each with a short-circuit PV input current of 27 A. It also supports parallel operation of up to 9 units, making it very easy and flexible to upgrade to larger system capacities. Want to know more about our TAICO inverter and our TAICO battery? Please visit our official website, taicopower.com. Goodbye.